Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So we had a break and I had to reorganize everything and do tons of stuff. And I said I'll start recording with PlayStation 5, Hall effect, joystick, which shouldn't have wear and tear. So turns out that the model which I bought is the green one, and those green ones, they don't have adjustment. So I thought my technician wasn't saying the truth, and I thought that there is a problem, but actually these ones, they don't, and I need to find, I think, orange ones or something. Then you can adjust X and Y axis. Yes, so you are able. If you don't, you need to buy those small things. I'll show you on my auction and so on, so you will see exactly what I have bought and from which seller. But let's try first to adjust it. So we've got this, and I don't know if I'm able to show you. So on the second side, I've soldered here this small board, and it has two potentiometers. Okay, so I will be trying to, let us move. Okay, yeah, it's by the default. I'll grab small screwdriver, glasses. Okay, is it too big or? Oh, might be too big. It has to be really tiny, guys. So if I will have one and I can read it, I'll tell you that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that should be. No, that's still too big, guys. So that's weird. Try random ones. Okay. I'm turning and it's not turning. So watch out which tip you're taking, because it might be a problem for you to adjust it as I have now. Now this is not. So from this batch, nothing completely, and I don't know if I have anything here of that size, guys. That's a waste of time. You know what? I'll pause and I'll find something. Okay, so guys, I found flat one which is working, but I don't know what is the symbol on it. Oh, okay, that's my wife's, so I count. No, 1.5 millimeter flat one, that's what is written, but 1.5, I don't know is it a millimeter or not. So now I will show you on this here picture, okay, and observe the left one. So that's mean observe this one, okay, this one. When I will be turning, it will be going. Okay, you can see that it went, and now it's going back. When I'm turning, it's going back, but that's the best I could do, and I can say that's a waste of money and the time. Okay, so why it's so? So you bought a Hall effect sensor or regular joystick, and then you buy this adjustment board, and you've got what I have. Yeah, so that's why it's the video for you to understand that there are different boards. Those boards are different, and you can't assume that one will fit all, because those potentiometers have different ohms, and those boards have different ohms as well. So in order to know which one is okay, you need to have either few or learn it on the go, that many ohms for PlayStation 5 controllers, that many ohms for Elite controllers, and so on. So just keep it in mind, and I will share with you now my AliExpress, because that's, excuse me, where I bought now, and I bought different ones. Okay, so I bought a mix. So you see, I bought for £12 and 52 pence a mix of 10k, 50k and 200k. Yes, that's a mix of them. Now it's 50 pieces, so 25 pairs. Okay, now the difference in between those, that's an updated version. Yes, so that's what I bought. I bought a mix, I think. No, I bought this one. Okay, so this, the one which I'm using now. Yes, it's only that it's a mix of 10, 50 and 200k. Now it's 10k, 50k, 50k, 200k, and black 100k. Okay, that's the updated version or whatever. So I think I will order those ones as well, the black ones. I think I will order them as well, because, you know, like, to compare. My ones are black ones, but it's different version. Okay, so I will be probably ordering those. Now I bought my ones on eBay, no, on Amazon. Amazon business, and your account, your orders. Okay, I bought those ones, and these should be for PlayStation 5, and I'm doing it on the PlayStation 5 controller. So just keep in mind to not trust it. Okay, that's why I've recorded this video, because I do believe in value in this video. Don't just blindly assume you will buy stick drift fix and it will solve your issues, because you need to know how many ohms you need, and if you will buy it and it won't work, you will just waste your money. I bought them just because I know I will use them. Yes, if not on this, I will use it on a different one. Unfortunately, I need to wait on the second one, and I've got no other choice. Either give it back to the customer as is, or say to the customer, look, it's fixed, you can calibrate it under your equipment. If you will struggle, come, I'll help you, and you can use it this way. Okay, I've ordered, and in future I will have like 7 days delivery on AliExpress, or come back when I will have it, like call me in a week time, and we can fix it again while waiting. Yeah, so he will come and I will be able to help the customer. But that's what I wanted to show you, because I thought that I will buy a single of them and it will have such range that I will be able to use it for all of the controllers, like PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. One Series S and Series X game controllers. That's what it was written. So now I think it's misselling. Okay, that's a misselling, because they written that it should work, and that's job ID 88902, so February and 24 year. Okay, that's PS5 controller, so it shouldn't make a problem, yet it did. So we know. Guys, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you for watching. If possible, leave us some like button, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.